What a trade, 108% in 2 days. Gotta love swing trading. Stay tuned to see how we achieve these results. How's it going, folks? My name is George, creator of Smart Action Trading, and in this video, I will review and break down the 108% Apple swing trade I signaled in the SATC community. I took profits on the way up, cut my last runner for 108% in under 2 days, and intraday on Friday, 170 contracts got all the way up to 145%. So kudos to everyone who capitalized, and kudos to everyone who executed, and best of luck to those still holding. Before we get into the snippet of the live breakdown, which focuses on the technical side, let's break down the 3 main reasons why I was interested in Apple. 1, Apple was dragged through the headlines a few weeks ago by the DOJ, which led to a massive sell-off for a few days, which often is overreaction by the market. 2, Apple was oversold on the RSI and diverging on the daily time frame. Lower lows on the price chart, higher lows on the RSI. 3, Apple fell into a key demand area where it historically gets aggressively bought back up. With those 3 variables and some technical factors on the intraday chart, this swing trade checked all the boxes. Rather than show you a price chart after the fact, I will play a snippet from our live options trading show in which I break down the precise entry, take profit, and rationale prior to Apple making that 4% bullish move the next day. I want to take a look at Apple. Okay. So Apple is coming into that area where I want to participate. For calls, for swings. So Apple is below that, that 167.90. Had that push lower. Got all the way to 167.11. That's the 4-hour or 1 day. That's the 1 day. That's what the 1 day looks like. $165. Let me look at some Apple swings. Apple, I'll be looking for. What does May 17th look like? Okay, May 17th. We're skewed to the put side on the May 17th. So the strikes they have are, there's $5 increments. These are pretty significant increments. So they have the 65, 70s. So in this case, right. Where's the 65? 65. Well, it has quite a ways to go to that 65. In this case, look at June possibly. Yeah, I'll do the 170. The difference between that 165 and 170. So if the 170s are currently 460, if the 170s go in the money, and they're gonna jump to like 732, 740. Right, so if Apple can get back above 170 before May, these contracts can almost double, go 100%. So I'll watch Apple throughout the day. All right. If we can possibly take out these lows of the day, this 165.11, I'll probably enter Apple. If not, if we get back above that 167.90, reclaim that, push higher, then I'll enter Apple for some swings. So these are further dated swings, May 17th, the 170, the 165. You don't have to take it. If you're interested in swings, you can put some risk on and take the Apple swings. We've been paying attention to Apple for quite some time. I've been waiting for it for a while now. Right, and in the grand scheme of things, where's Apple? There's the grand scheme of things. Don't get too caught up in the smaller time frame on these swings. Just think of the grand scheme of things. This is where Apple is. All right, so the last time it was in here, I had this aggressive reaction. But now it looks like it's going to grab these lows. I'm betting on having the same kind of reaction. And of course, that took some time to play out, right? If you kind of look at the duration, if we look at the duration, how long did it take to play out? At least to take out these highs. Took around 13 days, 2 weeks and some change. To take out the next target, it took about 27 days, right? So about a month and some change. To get into that high and take out that third target, it took around 50 days, about 2 months. That's why I'm taking that further dated contract in anticipation that that same kind of movement, that same kind of price action is going to take place. What happened here initially, right? We had that sell block. It was the 4 hour, right? We had that sell block into it, and we got bought back up. So what's going on now? What's going on now? We have that sell block into it. Now let's see if we can take out this 167.11 and then have some sort of price action combination. If not, I'll just take it if it reclaims these highs, because once that price moves, whether you entered here off of this 167.94 and 167.11, although it does have some impact in the grand scheme of things, in a month and a half later, it's not going to have much of an impact. So Apple, I'm going to have Apple on watch and see if we can get back above that 167.95, or if it continues to sell off, some sort of price action combo on the 4 hour. And I'll take Apple for swings. Looking to level up your trading and unlock domination? Join our SATC Discord and gain access to all the resources you need to become profitable. Use code SAVE at checkout to get $10 off your first month. I'll see you in the chat, and God bless. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your notifications on as I host the most value-packed live option trading show where we live trade, break down charts, talk high-impact news, and talk trader mindset daily on YouTube at 9 a.m. Eastern. Check out some of the older videos on the channel and watch how we dominate these markets daily.